Ah, okay, hotel. Ah, nice to meet you. Eric. Yes.
Sibal.
Ah, Sebal. Okay. My name is Eric. You are Sebal. Oh, nice tattoo here.
Nice to meet
Tattoo.
you.
Tattoo, nice.
Yes.
I see your
I like
tattoo here. I like. Very nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you
Yeah,
something?
no tattoo. Just without tattoo. Maybe. Oh, what's say? Art.
Sanat.
Ah,
English art.
English art.
I
Okay.
don't know English, but
But you tried. You tried to speak English. You are good.
no.
You are good. You are good. And where is your hotel? Another side. Okay. And my hotel is top. If you are guys first time my YouTube channel, please don't subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel.
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta de salir y te suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir. Dale chiquitita también más. Qué bonita tú te quedas.
Not hot. Today's is wind, eh? Okay. It's very nice here. Very nice. Wow. Yesterday hot, today not hot.
Yes.
This is good. Yes. You live in Istanbul, which city? Or Taksim or Izmir? Or...
Giresun.
Ah, okay. What?
Giresun like orada.
Okay. Teacher, okay. Okay.
Karadeniz.
Karadeniz.
Evet. Giresun Karadeniz'de.
Giresun Karadeniz. I see. Okay. Right.
Black Sea.
In Black Sea. Yeah, okay.
Evet. Giresun.
Yeah.
Yani orada bir
Yeah.
city.
Yes, I understand. Black Sea just in Bulgaria also another size, you know?
No.
Black Sea.
Okay.
In Turkey? Yeah.
Black Sea.
Okay.
Here.
Smell. Okay. It's nice. Very nice view. Yes. On sunset, right there sunset. And for you guys, I make also here. Sehr schön, gell? Ja, du musst auch Foto machen, viele Fotos. Ja? Du musst zeigen von deiner Freundin alle. Ich war im Urlaub, ja? Der Beste, ja? Ich war wunderschön im Urlaub, ja? Ja? Look how nice here. Look how nice. Yes. Yeah, guys. Do you think this is Macedonia? No. Just like Thailand. I can't say I am in Thailand. Guys, I am no, Macedonia. From Skopje, I think, yeah, with car 4 hours. With car you can take from Skopje to Ohrid. Yeah, how nice, guys. I hope enjoyed my YouTube channel. If you like it, please kiss my YouTube channel. If you like it, kiss my YouTube channel. If you don't like it, don't do it. Don't do it. Yes, guys. The sun is down. Look, that's it. How nice. Yeah. This is not nice. This is not nice. Guys, you know that? Yeah. How nice. Okay. William. I never see too much cats in my life, just like Macedonia. Everywhere you can get it. Cats, everywhere cats. Oh man, too much cats. I think nobody care in cats. Everywhere cats. Cat. Oh, they are cute. They are very cute, you know. It's sweet, yeah?
Yeah, I just fed them. I bought some cat food and I fed probably 10 cats on the way.
Oh, she's nice. Look,
Moja
She's happy.
Bobika. She's not happy. She's hungry.
Really?
She's got unhealthy eyes. You can see it.
oh, okay.
They need a veterinary doctor, but she's definitely not happy. Cat. Bobiko, Moja.
She's tired also, I think.
Chodź ku mnie. Chodź. Ja się zobaczę w domu.
Right.
I've got cat at home as well, so I really feel for it.
I see too much cats in Skopje also.
Yeah.
And this old sheep, you know, in the old sheep inside, so too much
Yeah.
small cats. Yesterday,
Because I guess they don't have enough money for castration of old cats. So
okay, that's why.
little ones are being born because the old ones are not castrated.
Ah, I see. Okay.
And then no one is looking after them. Look,
Yeah.
look at her, how she's playing with the tail.
Yeah. This is a mother. I think she's a mother. Yeah? Maybe she's a mother, yeah?
I don't know.
Oh. Nice. Okay. Have a nice.
Take care.
Okay, bye. Oh. Guys, don't make a mistake. It is not Thailand. It is Macedonia. It is not Thailand, guys. Look. This is not Thailand. Oh, okay. This is not Thailand, guys. Or Philippines. I have a dream. One day I go to Philippines. I go to Thailand. I go to Laos. Yeah. One day, guys. Yeah. Guys, I'm right now here, Macedonia. Yes. And I was here. Bulgaria. Dobrodan. Okay. I was here. There. Turkey. Günaydın. I was here. Albania. That means መመኘሽ no. መኘኘሽ I forget it. መኘኘሽ. Hey, I was there. Motherland. Ein good morning. Motherland, yes. Okay. I was here. I think this is Holland or Paris. This is Holland or Paris. Okay, well, I think this is Paris. Paris? Bonjour. I think it's Holland. Guys, please put it in the comment. Which flag this one? This one. Paris or Holland? I don't know. This is Italiano. Buongiorno. Bavete. Yeah, Italian. I was Italian. And I think it's Belgian. Yeah, it is Belgium. I know. I never seen in Belgium. And I will go to soon to Thessaloniki. Yeah. And Croatian, I was in it. Yes. I have a dream. One day I go to all over the world. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel, people. Don't forget some like. Like is very important thing for me, you know. Like is just like how can I say? Like is like. Yes, do it like. When you like it, just like benzene, you know, benzene. Huh? One car with benzene. Subscribe means engine or auf Deutsch Motor. Wenn jemand mich subscribe oder abonniert, das ist wie eine Motor. Yeah, do it that. I like people. Look how nice here. Look how nice.
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir.